Welcome to the Douglas Elliman Open House app. This session will show you how to run an open house. Locate the Douglas Elliman Open House app on your iPad desktop and then tap on it. Enter your agent ID and your password and then tap Login. In this section, you'll be able to begin your open house. Simply tap on the address to start your open house. In this area, you'll be able to edit the details of your open house, delete an open house, as well as export and email the visitors of your open house. To begin your open house, tap on Start Open House. The individual may now choose whether they are a buyer or a real estate agent. In this example, let's choose buyer. The buyer will now be able to enter their first name as well as their last name. Once the individual has entered their first name and their last name, they may then hit Continue. They can then enter their email address as well as their phone number. They may now choose whether they are pre-approved for a mortgage. Choosing yes and no will proceed to the next step. The registrant will now be able to choose whether they rent, own, or other. Making a selection here will proceed to the next step. The registrant will now be able to choose whether they are also selling a property. Choosing yes or no will proceed to the next step. The registrant will now be able to choose whether they'd like to speak to a mortgage professional. Choosing yes or no will finish up the registration process. Once the registration is complete, the individual is now free to take a look around and let you know what they think about the property. You may also register real estate professionals who visit your open house. Simply gear up the open house app, tap on Real Estate Agent to proceed. They can now enter their first and last name as well as agency and proceed to the next step. The real estate professional may now enter their email address as well as phone number and may click on the arrow button to proceed. Once the agent completes their registration, they may now take a look around and let you know what they think about the property. You have just learned how to run an open house and register individuals using the Douglas Elliman Open House app.